Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to make low-resolution photos clear with AI Image Colorizer. So, let's dive right into it. First off, there's no need to worry about creating an account. You can immediately start enhancing your images without any sign-up fuss. Of course, if you choose to sign up, you will unlock even more features and options. Take a look at this homepage. It's like a toolbox of digital wonders, but today we are focused on breathing new life into low-resolution photos. Navigate to the AI Retouch section and hit that Retouch button. Then, simply upload image to choose the photo you want to enhance. Here comes the exciting part. Initiate the transformation by tapping Start and get ready to witness digital magic in action. Don't miss the preview icon. It's like a window into the past, but with modern clarity. After you're satisfied, you are just a download away from preserving your memory in its newfound sharpness. And there you have it, a journey from blurry to brilliant with a touch of AI magic. So go ahead, give your cherished memories the gift of clarity. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, keep embracing moments no matter how pixelated.